In a quiet town lived a young man named Jamal. Like many in his community, Jamal was taught the virtues of respect within the family from an early age. His parents, who had worked tirelessly to provide him with education and nurturing, were getting older. While Jamal loved them dearly, he sometimes found himself impatient with their growing list of needs. One evening, after a long day at work, Jamal returned home to find his father struggling to fix a broken chair. Irritated and exhausted, he sighed deeply, wishing for some rest. As his father fumbled with the tools, his elderly hands shaking with age, Jamal's heart softened. He remembered a saying of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, which his mother often reminded him of: paradise lies at the feet of your mother. This reminder urged him to act with compassion. Let me help you, Father, Jamal said, stepping forward. His father looked up with a warm, grateful smile, the wrinkles on his face deepening in the dim light of their simple home. As Jamal repaired the chair, his father sat beside him, sharing stories of their family's past. Later that night, his mother called him into the kitchen. She wished to teach him one of her traditional recipes, a culinary secret passed down through generations. Despite feeling drained, Jamal joined her, taking delight in learning the art she so lovingly mastered over decades. While they cooked, his mother narrated another story of the Prophet's teaching: the one who does not show mercy will not be shown mercy. She gently advised him to embrace patience and tenderness, to see not just their elderly forms, but the years of devotion they had given him. Weeks passed, and Jamal realized he was no longer burdened by their requests or interruptions, but rather enriched by these exchanges. His relationships with his parents deepened, warmed by moments of shared activities and understanding. One afternoon, as they sat together, Jamal expressed his gratitude. I cannot imagine my life without your wisdom and support, he said, his eyes reflecting the sincerity of his words. His parents, old yet full of life, nodded knowingly. We are proud of you, they responded. You have learned to treat us with the kindness and care we prayed you would offer. On a sunny morning, Jamal woke up early to begin his day. He felt gratitude for the teachings of Islam that guided him to be a source of comfort to his parents. He knew it was these teachings that had taught him the values of mercy and respect. He made it a daily habit to pray and ask Allah to bless his parents with good health and happiness. Years went by, and Jamal became known in his community as a man of great kindness and patience. He realized that his acts of kindness were forms of worship, a path leading closer to paradise as promised by the Prophet. In living this way, Jamal found tranquility like never before, his earlier frustrations replaced with peaceful contentment. The wisdom of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, about respecting and caring for one's parents had shown him a fulfilling path. Moral: treat your parents with love, because true peace and blessings lie in their happiness and prayers.